Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The main ingredient in Hakka feng rou is pork. Traditional Hakka dishes are very particular about saltiness, fragrance, and greasiness, and feng rou brings these cooking characteristics into full play. The feng in the name feng rou means to stew. The pork and other ingredients are sealed in the pot until soft and fully cooked.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Lim Zap Siu. That's Joseph Lin. 今天呢，我要问你一个问题，因为呢，这跟食物当然有关系。因为前一阵子我有听到客家人有吃一个肉叫做封肉，后来问是信封的封，
因为他会把肉给封起来，所以叫封肉啊，封肉。
哦，是这么简单吗？
对啊，就是啊，
就封起来，封在一个锅子里面那样子，对。
对，没错。
OK，
他做法就是这样子。
I'm asking Leo here of a certain dish that I've heard the Hakka prepare and eat, and it's called the feng rou, which literally means pork sealed into something.
这个缝肉哈，它是用那个三层肉，就是五花肉嘛。五花肉把它用的锅子放起来之后，加一些配料进去，之后呢，我们要放在那个大锅子里头，蒸很久很久，而且最重要就是重的盐锅盖。
盐锅盖。是什么东西？
不懂哦，
不懂，
就是那个不能把锅盖随便掀开。
And when you cook it in a pot, don't ever open the lid. 不要这个掀锅盖，千万不要掀锅盖 okay? So this is actually literally the sealed pork. It's a 3-layered pork that you put into a pot and you have to stew it for a long, long time. 其实这样的话就蛮像就是在卤肉或控肉那样子那种感觉。
对，有点这个意味啦，
对不对？
而且这个缝肉它还有一个就是风干高升，就风官高升的意思，所以呢，过年过节一定要吃。
That's really cool. There's a double connotation to the word feng. Feng again means seal, but it also means to promote someone. So it brings luck to whoever eats this.
对，几乎过年的时候一定要吃这个。
Let's review these terms. It's called 封肉.
封肉
which is actually made of the 3-layered pork, 也就是五花肉。
三层肉，
三层肉也就是三层肉的意思了。千万不要掀锅盖。Don't ever open the lid when you're cooking and stewing this dish.
重的盐锅盖，
重的盐锅盖。And finally, the word feng also means a promotion in the term 封官高升。
风干高升，
风干高升。Well, let's wish that will happen when you eat this dish. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.